Igbo turilolo si, abo tokaria onye mụrụ gị, ajụwa ya onye na-alụ gị. Ndị be anyị ekele m unu. Aha m bụ Nwaada Chioma Ibeleche, dịka unu si mara m na eriri njikọ YouTube, Real Igbo Girl. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the procedures of getting married in Igbo land, step by step. Stay glued to your screen. Okay, the first thing is initial inquiry. N'asụsụ Igbo, ịjụ ajụjụ. Igbos are very particular about where they're going to. Okay, so they always ask questions about the villages, the towns, the homes of where they are going to get married. Yes. The second one is agreement between all parties. That is mkpekọrịta ezinụlọ dị iche iche.
The third one is the settlement and payment of dowry. That means the bride price will be paid for at this point. N'asụsụ Igbo, ịkwụ ụgwọ isi nwanyị. The fourth one is social functions connected with marriage, embracing the two families and their extended families. Ezinụlọ dị iche iche, ma nke nwoke ma nke nwanyị, ma ndị agbata obi ha ga-abịakọta ọnụ ka ha ṅụrịa maka alụmdi na nwunye. The fifth one, the wife leaves her father's house and goes permanently to her husband's house. N'asụsụ Igbo, nwanyị ga-ahapụ be nna ya gawa na nke di ya ka ha bụrụ ezi di na nwunye.
And then the last but not the least is the return of the dowry in cases where the marriage seems unsuccessful. Even though it's not so cool having a divorce in marriage, but there are cases whereby it can't be controlled and the only option is to have a divorce. So while doing that divorce in the courts, it is necessary to go local also to return the dowry. Because if a dowry is being paid for, if the marriage doesn't work, it needs to be returned. So you can settle yourself at that level also. So these are the procedures from A to Z, from top to bottom. And I hope you learned something new about the processes of getting married in Igbo land. So see you next time in another topic. Bye.